find ddx of x e to x minus e to x by 2. So x e to x, so x will be at first, then e to x means 2 e to x, 2 e to x plus e to x, then will be there minus 1 by 2 e to x. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 e to x. Okay. So e to x we can cut. So we can write ddx of x e to x minus e to x by 2 equal to 2x e to x. Then if we integrate this one, then we can write dx e to x minus e to x by 2 equal to 2 integration of x e to x. So here integration of this one will be same, x e to x minus e to x by 2. Then we need to divide this one by 2. Okay. Then what will be left? X e to x. Half x e to x minus 1 by 4 e to x equal to integration of x e to x.